What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we got another question from the audience. This question sounds like this: if a landlord appoint a property manager to manage his unit, including rental, collection and tracking, but to do loan rental must bank by tenant to landlord name, right? Yes, this is true. You must bank in into the tenant landlord name. The tenant must bank in into the landlord name for it to be counted, the rental income. The one that you mentioned to manage a property, that is called a service agreement. Service agreement is not counted as tenancy agreement, okay? And one more thing that you will see service agreement, one more situation in the service agreement is when you rent out your room to room rental operators or Airbnb operators. They will always give you a service agreement, unless of course they rent your unit at a very low price, and then yes, there's a tenancy agreement. What's the difference between a tenancy agreement and service agreement? Tenancy agreement just means that every month you will get a fixed rental income. That is an income. So the bank want to see that fixed amount every month. Service agreement here usually is more about profit sharing, or you provide a service to the customer. Okay, that your customer is the landlord. So the landlord is the one who pay you. Your customer is not the tenant. Okay, so the tenant, the customer is the landlord. Okay, customer and buyer and seller relationship, the landlord. So the relationship there is different depending on how you structure the agreement. So make sure it's a service agreement or rental tenancy agreement. Totally different, okay? I hope it helps. So if you have any more questions, just email me down below. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in next video. Bye-bye.